What's up, Fly Squad? Today we're going to talk about my final thoughts in the city of Seoul, South Korea. The first thing I gotta mention is how efficient this town is, making everything so easy to navigate and get around, from rideshare apps to the subway system. And it's very clean, well put together, and on point. Having free Wi-Fi in many public spaces, using apps such as the Naver app that helps track the trains and make sure that you're at the right platform at the right time to get to where you're going. And everyone uses it. It can get pretty crowded during work hours, but most of the time there's a lot of seats available, and they have special assignments for pregnant women and elderly, and everybody just shows great respect to one another. In addition to that, this city is very walkable, making it easy to walk just 15 minutes and get to different attractions that just seem to pop up everywhere as you walk through the city. And the sights here is very historical, dating back to the older times, having many temples and modern structures, skyscrapers, very innovative architecture here in the city of Seoul. Walking by, there's also many memorials dedicated to war heroes in the different periods of Korean history that gives a sense of honor and respect to those that served and risked their lives in battle. And for this, they dedicated a large museum displaying all the heroes from the older times during the dynasties all the way up into the modern times, and the participants that took place in wars to defend the country of Korea. And the neighborhoods as you walk by are very peaceful, clean, and set up in a way that you feel safe to walk around and explore the city. In addition to that, the people here are so polite, smiling and waving at you. Just made me feel very welcome. And they were quick to come up and start a conversation.
Are you a YouTuber?
Yeah.
Can I know your channel? Oh, can I find it? Are you traveling Seoul or whole Korea?
Just so.
Just Seoul?
Yeah.
Are you enjoying it?
Yeah, it's pretty nice. You from Seoul?
I'm from Pyeongtaek,
Pyeongtaek.
south part of Korea.
Okay. It's a long way from here?
Yeah. I came Seoul for my mission trip, but it's finished now, so I came here with my family.
Okay, cool. What's your name?
My name is Minju.
Binju Marco.
Oh, Marco.
Nice to meet you. You?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Chuho.
Chuho? Marco. Nice to meet you.
Okay. Nice.
Have a good day.
Have a nice travel.
Thank you. And this seemed to happen to me on multiple occasions, from the highest parts of the city and down on street level. Hello. You speak English?
Yes.
How do you, I'm trying to buy a card, transportation card.
You want to buy the transportation card?
Yeah.
Which card would you like to buy? The T-Money or the Flyme card? T-Money. You just turn right and walk straight for 5 minutes. Then you can see 7-Eleven convenience store. You can get it there.
Thanks so much.
So you need the cash to buy that.
Yes.
After buying the card, charge then you can use. The
you.
card price is not refundable.
Thank you. Appreciate it. People are especially hyped after they had some drinks to show you how they feel.
Are you YouTuber?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Hi.
Where from?
U.S.
US? Oh, my.
My first time in Korea.
Oh, thank you.
Everywhere that I walked in the streets, I felt welcome and respected.
Assalamualaikum.
How you doing?
Where are you from? You're taking like a YouTuber?
Yeah, yeah.
Really? That's good. Make a lot of money, man. YouTuber.
A little
Which
bit.
country from?
U.S.
US? Really?
Yeah.
Which part of US?
Florida.
Florida?
Yeah.
I've been living in Florida.
Yeah?
Orlando. I was working in a Carnival Cruise Line.
Cool. That's cool.
Yeah, I worked in a Carnival Cruise like more than 10 years. I'm an American Indian.
Okay.
I was America before. 10 years I was living in America.
You like here better?
Yes, sir. I come as teacher here.
Okay.
Not now, 2001.
Wow.
That time is very good money here.
Yeah.
I like flame.
A lot of beautiful women here.
Yes.
Everywhere. Another thing that I noticed about South Korea is that this place is very patriotic. The people marching through the streets, quick to show pride and stand up for their rights. At this time was trying to put their current president in jail. I think he had just been impeached. So the people gathered in the streets and very peaceful protests. You know, just showing how they feel. The people responded so well to this kid, I thought he might become the next sitting president. Even though I didn't expect to see this, everything turned out just fine and just showed me how the Koreans really get down. This next thing I like about Korea is that it has all 4 seasons. And at this particular time, it was a little cold, but some hot cocoa will heat you up real quick. And in the chilly months, this really comes in handy because when you walk outside, you're gonna feel the difference. And they let you see it too, just looking at the LED screens all throughout the top at Namsung Mountain, and just put you in a very warm mood right before the wind hits you. But anyway, I really enjoyed that because winter wonderland, I'm used to being in a tropical climate, and don't get it twisted, that is where I like it. But it's good to see some snow every now and then and bring back memories from my childhood when we used to throw snowballs and, you know, sled down hills. Back where I was born and raised in Michigan. Good times. So yeah, then the question arises, would I ever visit South Korea again? For sure. Definitely had a good time here in Seoul, Korea, and I want to see more of the country as well. As I'm told, it's various other cities that are very cool, and I wish to check them out soon in the near future. So, there you have it. Yeah, beautiful views from up here, Seoul, Korea. I hope you all enjoyed my final thoughts on the city of Seoul, Korea. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to learn more about how it is living in other Asian countries, click one of these videos right here. And until next time, peace.